Under the quiet moon's soft glaze, in a room where shadows softly play, whispered secrets of the night, all the weary close the fight. Candles flickers, a gentle dance, dreams are woven, given a chance. Rest your head on pillows fine, let the darkness intertwine. Candles flickers, a gentle dance, dreams are woven, given a chance. Rest your head on pillows fine, let the darkness intertwine. Sleep well, my friend, the world is still, let the moments gently fill. Eyes are heavy, breath is light, come the dawn, you'll be alright. In the silence, free from fears, leave behind the day's harsh tears. Stars above, they slowly wait, roll the weary roll that pain. Melodies soft, the night unfolds, stories of the ancients told. Silver whispers, dreams cascade, in the quiet hearts are made. Let the moments gently fill. Eyes are heavy, breath is light, come the dawn, you'll be alright.